Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share my entire Tiffany & Co collection with you guys. So these are my silver pieces, these are gold, and these are gold and diamond. And I'm going to start with the silver pieces. And before I start, I want to give some tips. So when I store my items, when I'm not using them, I always keep my silver pieces in Ziploc bags, airtight Ziploc bags, because I'm going to show you why I don't keep them in the pouches they came in, because they are not airtight, so they get tarnished very easily. That's the reason why I keep them in these Ziploc bags, airtight Ziploc bags. And also, if you want to know how I keep them clean, then check my video. I have a video how to clean the silver pieces from Tiffany. I'm going to link that at the end screen maybe, or maybe I'm going to link that in the description box, so check that video if you want to know how I keep them clean. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first piece I have, the silver piece, comes in this box, and here is the pouch, and you can see this is not airtight at all. And this is the necklace I have. And you can see how clean this necklace is, because after cleaning it, I didn't put it inside this pouch. I was storing this inside this Ziploc bag. For the sake of the video, I'm just showing you in a pouch, but it was not in this pouch after I cleaned it. And here is the care instruction for the sterling silver. And I'm going to put them back in the Ziploc bag after this video. Here is the next one. And I'm going to write the name of these necklaces on the screen. Again, you can see how clean this is. And I'm going to insert the tri-ons in between each pieces, so you can see how they look on my neck and my ears and my fingers. This is the third piece, and this is a bracelet. This is the bead bracelet in pink enamel, baby pink. And you can see again how clean this is because of the Ziploc bags. So always keep your silver pieces in Ziploc bags, because these things are good for nothing. They don't keep your sterling silver tarnish free. So yeah, always keep them in the Ziploc bags. I'm going to put them back after this video. Next I have this gold necklace. These are 18 karat gold. And this is the bean necklace in 9 mm size. This is the Elsa Peretti bean necklace. This is the one. Next I have just a single piece of earring, and this is the one. EXO. I don't think it's focusing. And then to match the single piece, I got another single piece. So this is the hashtag one. And you don't have to worry about the gold pieces because they don't tarnish. Only silver pieces have the issue of tarnishing. Next I have this diamond and gold piece, and this is a ring. This is Tiffany T diamond wearing, and I don't think it's focusing. Next I have this ring. This is the Tiffany setting diamond engagement ring. And the diamond is 0.59 carat, 18 karat yellow gold. So that was it guys, that was a small collection from Tiffany & Co. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.